Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Astro Souls. My name is Abhi Sharma. Today I am channelizing a particular message which is not for everyone. It is for people who actually have closed a long relationship cycle within last 6 months to 8 months. Okay. अगर आपने इससे पहले अपना रिलेशनशिप एंड किया है, इफ इट इज लाइक 1.5 साल 2 साल हो चुके हैं आपको, इट इज नॉट एंटायरली फॉर यू. तो मैं जो चैनलाइज कर रही हूं आज, आई सी योर वन ऑफ योर कार्मिक कनेक्शन इज रिटर्निंग. आपका एक कार्मिक कनेक्शन है जिसको आपने एंड किया है विद इन द स्पैन ऑफ 6 to 8 months. नाउ आई सी दिस पर्सन रिटर्निंग. Whether to accept this person, reject this person, that depends on your story. कि story line क्या है? Because if a person was very abusive and all of that, of course I won't suggest you to accept these type of people, because they will come into your life and they will drain you again. So of course, for a private reading, anytime feel free to reach out to me so that I can at least guide you or help you in a better way. I've done a spell. I remember I've done a spell around the same situation, around a person jinka relationship was ended 6-7 months ago. Yesterday I was doing a spell, और वो spell के दौरान ही मुझे ऐसा लगा था, and I was feeling very strongly that this person spell करने के समय पता लगा कि जिस पे हम स्पेल कर रहे थे, they both wanted to be with each other. And I could clearly see during the spell कि जिस पर स्पेल परफॉर्म हो रहा था, this person literally is going through a strong upheaval, and this person wants to change for their respective partner. So इस टाइप का अगर सिचुएशन होता है, इट्स बेटर टू गिव इट अनदर चांस. जब दो लोग जेन्युइनली काम करना चाहते हैं अपने ऊपर एंड वांट टू कम टुगेदर एंड बिल्ड एन एम्पायर, दैट मेक्स सेंस. बट इफ अ पर्सन इज बीन अब्यूजिव, चीटर, कॉन्स्टेंट चीटर, I will not suggest you to choose that. But again, let's just focus on the reading. So what I'm just going to take few cards from few decks. As I said, this person who has left you is traveling towards you. Leaving or travel. Decision is yours. You have to decide if you want this karmic partner back into your life or no. Because he or she is actually looking for forgiveness. Now this is positive. This person is actually looking for positivity. This person is looking for forgiveness. But I want to ask if this forgiveness is coming with a change in their personality, change in their behavior, or आपका karmic cycle फिर से repeat हो रहा है. Spirits, please give me 2 cards to clarify the same. Of course. This is amazing. This is amazing. So these 2 cards tells the same story. This person is going to come back to you asking for forgiveness or another chance. Very sweet apology, not a big, nothing that is too big and too of loud feelings ka situation. It's going to be stable, basic, but आपको feel हो जाएगा that this person is genuine. And clarifiers are super positive. To claim this, I would request you to type 333 in the comment box. Like the video so that you can return and let me know your experience when this person will come back, apologize and say things to you. Do confirm whenever this person is back into your life. So when we talked about here in forgiveness, I wanted clarifiers to see कि क्या ये forgiveness change के साथ आ रही है या फिर ये forgiveness आपके पास आ रही है so that this person can still play games with you. And I have divine. This forgiveness is guided by your destiny, guided by your angels, guided by the divine power. which is positive. Although this time this person is going to do everything in their control to make it work for you. Change of behavior, giving you more attention, giving you validation, time, talking to you more, going out, treating you like a prince or a princess. This is very, very positive energy. And when I was channelizing and I was thinking, mujhe, all of a sudden I had a, at times, you know, you feel when you are in this, when you deal with energies, at times it depends on whether your body is rushing all of a sudden, or you're having like a calm breath. So when I was channelizing this and when I had a psychic message around this reading, I was very relaxed. Very relaxed. So if you think that you've ended a relationship and you were not happy and you're wanting this person to come back into your life once again, this is your confirmation. And it's a yes from my side as well. Please go ahead. The universe, the destiny is finally moving. The wheel of fortune is moving into your direction. It's your wish. I mean, it's your wish that is getting fulfilled. So you deal with it. You asked for it और यूनिवर्स ने आपका मैनिफेस्टेशन, आपका डिजायर जो था वो ग्रांट कर दिया है. So all the best to you. Do not forget to claim this reading, because how it works is जब आप किसी रीडिंग को सिर्फ सुनते हैं and you don't, you know, let your energies come through to me, the reader, वो आप तक बिट एंड पीसेस में पहुंचती है, बट एंटायरली आप उसको क्लेम नहीं कर पाते हो. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, हो सकता है आपको कॉन्टैक्ट आ जाए बट रिकंसिलिएशन का ऑफर होना और एफर्ट्स बहुत स्लो आएंगे. So I would really urge or request you to claim this energy by writing 333 in the comment box. Do let me know if you hear anything from your respective partner. Feel free to reach out to me for any readings, rituals, and spells so that I can do the best for you for relationship, career, or whatever situation you have in your life. You can email me. I have no other channels. And just email, just drop an email and my team will come back to you and set up the time with you. Take care and I shall see you again. Thank you. Please do subscribe the channel as well. Take care.